Hi everybody, how are you all? You're good? I'm so glad. It's so good to see you all again. I'm Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library, and we are here to do our craft this week. This week's craft is not messy. Well, no, it won't be messy, and if it is messy, guess what? You can eat it up. Yay! This is an exciting one, everybody. So, get your big person and let's start making this fun craft. Good job. You guys are so quick. I think you had your big person with you already. Yeah, I think you did. Good job, everybody. Okay, we are making something called Animal Trail Mix. Why would we make that, do you think? Right, because this is a camping theme summer reading program. And I thought, what goes better with camping than a trail mix, a food, a snack that we can walk along and eat as we're going. And it's got animals. What's more fun than that? Right? Okay, so you get to help make it and then you get to eat it. How fun is that? Did you know that we had this box out in our kids area? And this box is a s'more box. You can make your own s'mores. Did you know that? It says there's s'more in store. Make your own s'more. How many of you knew that that was out there? It's so cool. So there's a book there. There's little books in there, and it shows you how to build your very own s'more. So when you come into the library, you can go over into our kid area and you can build your very own s'mores by opening up this box and taking a look at what's in here. There's crackers, there's marshmallows, there's a pan that you can use for a plate, and there's chocolate. So how easy and fun can that be? You guys can come into the library, you can find some books to read, and you can make your very own s'more. How fun. Okay, but we're not making s'mores. We're making Animal Trail Mix. That's right. You guys have good memories. Okay, so I'm going to be sending home in your kit. You're going to find all these different types of foods. And what you get to do is mix them all together and then eat them. Ah, how fun. All right, so if you would like a little bowl or a container, you can get that, or you can just use the biggest bag of stuff we have, which is the popcorn bag, and we can just mix it all together in the popcorn bag. So your big person can help you. And what's neat about this popcorn, what I like about it, is there's no kernels in here for you little ones to choke on. Okay, that's why we chose this kind. But your big person can just open this bag up and then you can start putting all your other ingredients inside of it and make it into a big mix. Okay, then, well, first let's start. Okay, so we're gonna open up this bag. You're gonna open up that bag. I'm not gonna open this stuff yet because this is something for you guys to do, okay? But this is what will be in your kit. You're gonna have popcorn. You're gonna have pretzels, and you can put as much of whatever you want into your little mixture there, okay? So if you just wanna put 2 pretzels out of here into there, go for it. You don't have to use the whole bag. If you wanna take some of the popcorn out, go ahead. You don't have to use it all, all right? Then we're gonna have some raisins. So you can put some raisins in, or all of the raisins if you really like raisins. You're gonna have Cheerios. They're good for your heart. Can you make a heart? Who can do a heart? Hello, heart. Nice job. You guys are so good at that. You must be practicing. All right, Cheerios. I'm gonna show you the one thing that I think you're gonna love the most. Maybe some of you, maybe all of you. This is going to be in your kit too. Ready? Here it comes. Ooh, nope, stopping. Did anybody see what it was? Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Oh, do. M&Ms. Mini M&Ms. You're going to have some of those to add. So far we have popcorn. We have pretzels. We have raisins. We have M&Ms. And we have Cheerios. The last thing that you can add is there's going to be 3 different flavors of animal cookies. We have the regular flavor of animal cookies. We have the iced animal cookies. Who doesn't like those with the little frosting on them? Okay. And we have chocolate animal cookies. So there is so much stuff that you can decide to make your animal trail mix with. Now, once you've made it, and I'm almost going to guarantee that you can make a couple of them because I think all of this stuff is probably not going to fit into this little bag. So you might get a couple snacks out of yours. But here's the thing. Once you put it in here and your big person helps you close it up so you can shake it all up and mix it together so it makes it all mixed up, so it's a mix, then you can eat your snack. Now, if you guys are going for a hike or if you're camping, this is perfect. Do you know why? Because it's all in this little bag. It's all container. It's in like a little bag. It's in a container for you. So it's so much easier to carry around. You can just carry your bag, eat your snack. Carry your bag, eat your snack. Make sure when you're finished, you throw away your bag though. We always want to make sure we throw away our garbage, right? Yes, yes we do. So that is all we have to do, guys. You're just gonna take all of these neat, yummy foods, put them all together, as much as you want in that will fit into this bag for your little snack, and eat them. That's your craft for this week. How fun and easy is that? And yummy. Okay, you guys have fun doing this, and have your big person take pictures when you're either making your craft or pictures from crafts that you've made before, because we love seeing when you make the stuff that we send home to you, okay? Or take pictures of you guys out camping. Did you know that out in the library there is there's a sign out there that says take pictures of outings, of things that you're doing. Send us your pictures and your name can be put into a drawing for a prize. Did anybody know that? It's true. It's out there. If you look for it, you'll see it. So take pictures and send them to us. We love seeing pictures, everybody. Have so much fun making your craft. Have fun eating your craft, and I will see you for the next craft. Bye, everybody.